Union Minister Badepet Ya Katanat Cultural and Tourism Jongkosokar India Gajendra Singh Shekhawat minta Khasi kalai terik unai lor arja apsa ulawan Hiar jurip ya ki jaka jngohkai ki badan South West Khasi Hills District. Ki jaka bu Menteri Badepet Ya Cultural and Tourism ulalit jengok ki long ha hot spring ha jakram ka senrang mawin ha shnong mautan ki mau kurduk mau benna tenrang ha shnong Maulangwer bat ka Mauranglang viewpoint Mauranglang. Ha ka jingalang balingkot ha senrang Mauren lakan priang na Dr. Kiki Nongsin ka jingkran na Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khasi Hills District board sa ka jingrai na kasur ki Nongkandong ka cultural dance na ka ri Maram Folk Academy Maulangwer bat ka shat suk minsim. Nangta kaladon ru ka jing IT ya ki dorkas na ka shnong mountain na kasnong Maulangwer bat na kasngap CM College Mawphor. Hakani kasngi ladon lang nadu uba bi Maulong IAS Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khasi Hills uba renekton lingdo tongkhar MLA ka Mawphor constituency uba M Sinram Joint Secretary Jongka Tourism Department uba LT Taryang MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khasi Hills District uba I Laurenyang MCS Block Development Officer Mawphor CNRD Block uba L Karponria District Tourism Officer Southwest Khasi Hills District lembat kiwede hadien ka jing jurip ya ki jaka jngohkai kaladon ru ka jingelang ya merjingmut ha circuit house ki ba ya dei bat ki scheme ha ka culture and tourism.
Winom Khasi kaba ulay ulay kanam jompa yen yai betul yen yai wai makne bangsa harem pay akor ram odang ya pa yai ken mau jiuram wi Khasi ya pa ni da
place in the state of Meghalaya and several more to explore. Having seen these beautiful locations, the scenic beauty, I can say that Meghalaya has an immense potential of growing tourism here. Come on, let us all come and experience Meghalaya, the culture and the natural beauty. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, ma'am. You speak very good English.
Commemorate the beginning of political system here in this kingdom. We have the kingdom, Raja. We are sovereign here previously, and at the time when one culprit, one criminal, he had done lots of crime that the community cannot control. At the time we don't have king. Since that time, when we need a king, means a situation arise that who will
Be the king.
not who will be the king actually, who will punish that criminal.
Yeah, who will fight that criminal.
with death penalty. At the time,
Government of India and MDITDC. Present here the DM of Southwest Khasi Hills, the DC, the principal of SNGAP College, the village head, dear friends, and the fellow artisans. At the outset, I would like to thank the district administration of Southwest Khasi Hills, my dear friend MLA Mr. Renington, for organizing this beautiful cultural event here at a very scenic and beautiful tourist spot developed by the state government. We came here to Shillong to sit with all the ministers and officials of the northeastern states to understand and further develop the tourism potential of the northeastern states. We all are aware that our beloved nation under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi ji is marching towards becoming a developed nation by 2047. Our economy is continuously growing with the fastest speed in the larger economies of the world. And the potential of tourism is increasing day by day, month by month, and year on year. And when I say the increasing potential of tourism in our country, the maximum of the potential or the share of the tourism is inevitably to be gone to the northeastern states and especially the Meghalaya state. In all these northeastern states, we have everything, the cultural diversity and the natural beauties. The state governments, they have shared their plan yesterday. They have shared their beautiful prospects yesterday during the long meeting, day-long meeting. And I'm sure that the high ambitious goals and the plans of the state governments are going to create big opportunity for the tourists to visit these states, experience this rich culture and heritage, beautiful locations, beautiful weather, and the development of tourism is going to bring a big change in the life of the local communities. Their economic wealth will rise, their living conditions will be changed, and I wish that in coming future, the tourism will become the driver of the economy of these northeastern states. I wish everybody a very good success and a beautiful life ahead. And once again, I would like to thank all the artists who have performed with the beautiful song and the dances and the music here at this scenic, beautiful place. Couple of memorandums have been given to me by the villagers, the head of the village society, by the local MLA, my friend Renington, and by the principal of the college and management committee of the college. I'll certainly put forward those memorandums to the right place, to the right officials, so that further action can be initiated. But as I mentioned, and yesterday night when we had discussed during the dinner with Chief Minister, my friend Conrad Sangamaji, we discussed a lot about harvesting the huge potential and beauty of Meghalaya. Government of India under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi ji is committed to develop these northeastern states and the potential of the tourism in these beautiful states. With these words, I once again thank you all for organizing this lovely, unforgettable, memorable moment for me at this beautiful place. Thank you very much.
Warm. Cái bận á. It's warm.
Words, your comments there, so that click on the press.